Hello everyone, welcome back to Royalty Soaps. For those of y'all who don't know, I actually have really bad eyesight. I wear contacts in almost all of my videos because I have to put safety glasses over my face. But in reality, I have to wear glasses a lot. So there you go. These are not for fashion, these are for functionality. I know I don't look how I normally look. I know. There's like, where are you filming your intros? What's going on? Basically, I just really wanted to make this craft kit. And so this whole video is spur of the moment. Look at this kit. It's so cute. I loved her little face. I love the stickers. I love the lip. I love the whole thing. I wanted to make it so bad. For those of you who are new around here, I am a professional soap maker, meaning that is what I do for money and it feeds me and my family. And I dabble often in other bath and body crafting, other handmade products, lip balm being something I have experimented with in the past. This seems like a pretty basic kit. I don't think a lot could go wrong, but then again, I've done craft kits in the past that really shocked me in a bad way. So I'm gonna be rating this kit on 3 different things. Number 1, how good are the packaging and instructions? Is there a whole bunch of extra packaging they should have done without? Are the instructions really hard to read or are they pretty good? I'm also gonna grade it on how easy was it to make? Was it really thick and clumpy? Did it melt down really well? And then number 3, does it look good and does it perform well? Sometimes you have something that look really nice that doesn't do squat for your skin. That's what I rate my soap kits on. This kit was 10 bucks at Walmart. It makes 5 lip balms, so that's approximately $2 per lip balm. Let's open it up. Right, so again, absolutely adorable. That's why I wanted to make it. Look at these little, it's so cute. I just can't. However, even in the pictures on the box, I have to say, that does not look very good. I mean, I see 2 colors, but that's about the most appealing part of it. And the entire thing is really enhanced by the packaging and these little emoji art things that they've added to the back. That's just an observation. It might have absolutely nothing to do with it. I wonder if they have a flavor in here or if the base is oh man, look how cute. Base wax. Okay, strawberry scented. Yay, so it is like flavored. Woohoo. So we've got our instructions. We've got all the little packs. We've got some cosmetic grade glitter. We've got mixers. We've got scoopers. I'm so excited. Gonna take all of these out. Okay, so packaging, they're getting an A+ for because nothing moved around. Everybody's where they're supposed to be. Everybody has a place. All of the containers are so adorable. The mica powders are well packaged. Like everything looks great. I just read through all of the steps to make the lip balm and it's very easy to understand. You know what to expect. You know exactly what to do. And they even have some visual helpers down here. So that's great. So they're getting A+, they're getting thumbs up for the first thing I'm judging on, which is the packaging and the ease of the directions. Now let's pop all these puppies out of here. So basically what they have you do is scoop out some of their pre-made lip balm base into this little container, put in some of the mica powder, and scoop it into the containers. There's no heating, which I find so strange because it's gonna be really, really chunky, especially if your room is cold. I mean, you can see it's a nice consistency, but there's no way I'm gonna be able to get that flat into these containers. Let me read the ingredients on this little wax base here. See instructions for further details. That doesn't tell me anything. There's no ingredients listed on the lip balm like instructions either. Let's see if they listed on the packaging. Yeah, here we go. Scented wax base. The first thing in it is petroleum, so that's kind of gross. So here are the ingredients, most of which I cannot pronounce. You can see it has fragrance in it, there is a preservative, and then there's a couple of different waxes. I don't know if that's meltable or not. I tell you what, we're gonna find out, but first, we're gonna do it the way they want me to. So I'm gonna start with the heart here. So I'm gonna take 4 to 5 little scoops of the wax, which is what they tell you to do. Now, a scoop is not very specific, and because they provide you with one of these, I would have preferred that they give you instructions about maybe using the measuring device so you have a very accurate amount, but you know, it is a kid's kit, and what can you expect? 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so it smells really, really good. I think I would like to add both glitter and a little bit of the mica into here this time. Okay, I'm gonna open up my little container. I'm gonna push this down in here because I gotta mix it up, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of glitter. I want to have sparkly lips. Gonna put a little bit of mica. Woo, that's kind of a lot, maybe. I don't know, maybe that's not enough. Maybe we should put more. And now I'm just supposed to mix it. So I'm supposed to mix with this, which is a nail cuticle pusher, and I find that intriguing. Seems to mix pretty easy. Mix, mix, mix. That texture is really thick. Okay, so this is what it looks like. That's pretty fun. Let's put it in our little pink heart. So I'm supposed to use my spatula for this part. It seems too that me mixing it with my hand also kind of heated up the mixture a little bit. It might be easier to scoop into my container, but I'm seeing as I'm scooping that because the mixture wasn't a liquid, it was already semi-solid, I was not able to get the color and the glitter distributed evenly throughout. In fact, there are little teeny tiny chunks in there that haven't even been mixed super well. I'm gonna try to evenly distribute the rest of this balm. Okay, and so this is what our first little lip balm looks like, which is pretty good. Again, you can probably see there's a few little chunks in there that aren't 100% incorporated, but it does smell really nice and it looks pretty. You can see the glitter. I'm gonna add more glitter next time. Gonna put on our little teeny bit in it. All right, yay. Look, it looks so cute. All right, let's move along to the next one. I'm gonna start by wiping down all of my stirring equipment here. All right, I'm gonna wipe down my container so that it doesn't color the other lip balms that I'm gonna make with the pink. So now that the heart is done, I want to do the rainbow next. And this is gonna be the first time that I experiment with melting the base. I'm gonna put in a couple scoops of lip balm here. Base is in. I'm gonna add some glitter. Shake a shake a shake a. Lots of glitter. Now some mica powder. They told me to use it sparingly, but I break the rules. Okay, I'm gonna push this down and start mixing it up. Oh wait, I gotta use my mixing stick, not my spatula, which does make it easier, by the way, because the mixing stick is a lot thicker, not quite as flimsy. And then now that I've got it pretty incorporated, I would keep mixing if I wasn't gonna heat it, but it's mixed enough that I feel comfortable sticking this in the microwave for a few seconds, and I'm gonna watch it like a hawk. I'm only gonna stick this in for about 10 seconds or so. Y'all wish me luck? Okay, so I stuck it in the microwave for a total of 20 seconds, and it didn't seem to have much of an effect at all on the lip balm. It didn't really get thinner, it didn't really get thicker, the fragrance didn't dissipate, and honestly, the only thing that makes me question is the ingredients. Whatever ingredients they have in here are really, really stable, and of course we already know that the main thing in this lip balm is petroleum, so that's probably why. Okay, I've scraped out most of it into my little rainbow mold, but you see, I didn't quite mix up enough. So I'm gonna make some more of the pink. I'm gonna kind of swirl that a little bit. That way we actually have a swirly lip balm, just like they advertised on the box. All right, let's swirl it up. Gonna smack that right in there. Okay, time to swirl. I don't know, how should I do this? Let's see, maybe go in a circle. Okay, I think I've swirled it enough, but not so much that you won't be able to see what I've done. Okay, let's just press it in, wipe it down. All right, looks like a fun little ombre here. Okay, so I kind of love it. I'm not gonna lie. Also, I think mine looks better than the one they have on the literal box. What do you think? What do you think? Yeah, they should have taken a picture of my lip balm to put on their box. All right, put the little lid on it. Now let's do the mermaid one. So at this point for the final three, I think that I should use all the colors, all the glitter, and do like a triple color mix. I don't know, maybe we should finish out the seashell first and make that one just turquoise. I'm gonna try to section out a third of the lip balm base that I have left over, which was kind of fun. All right, first third we'll do all teal. I think this one should have the most glitter in it. Also, if you see that the table looks red, it's because of my shirt. So I am gonna mix this one the longest. I'm gonna try to mix this for about 2 minutes or so to see if I can get all the lumps out. So after all that mixing, it's a lot softer. And guys, I actually think I was able to get everything incorporated with no clumps. Gonna squish this into all the corners. Now, here's something we should definitely talk about. There is not enough lip balm base to fill up all 5 lip balm containers to the tippy top. You can see about how full this is. That's about how full all of them are going to be. So they really should have doubled the amount of lip balm that they put into the kit so that we could fill everything up completely. You know, little kids like to see it all smooth and flat so they can dig their finger in it, and they're not gonna get that satisfaction if we don't fill it up all the way. As it is, I mean, like as a kid, you wouldn't want to give this to your friend and be like, I made you some lip balm, because it looks like you've used half of it already. Okay, so for the final 2, we're gonna mix all 3 colors with glitter together, cause why not? I've got to get every scrippity scrap out of here, cause every little bit counts when you don't have enough to begin with. Me with Bluebell ice cream. Can you ever really have enough Bluebell ice cream? Probably not. So let me tell y'all, as I'm mixing up this last bit, this has been way more fun. I mean, I knew it was gonna be fun, which is why I was like, Caleb, I gotta go out and do this. But this has been more fun than I even anticipated. It's extremely relaxing. Yeah, definitely should have cleaned out that blue container first, because now I have like a green going in next to the blue because I didn't clean it out well enough. Oh well, custom colors, am I right? So doing that with the yellow and blue makes me want to mix these colors and see what happens. I wonder if I can get something close to a purple. Put in a little pink, put in a little blue, let's see what we get. Well, yep, that looks pretty purple. Let's just smooth it right in here. Smooth some right in here. Okay, I have made a very difficult decision. I have decided there's just not enough to warrant using both of the containers. We are going to have to sacrifice somebody. Who is leaving? It's the unicorn, because the donut is just too cute. I can't sacrifice it. So for this one, I'm not really swirling it. I'm just sticking it all in different spots and flattening it. Purple, where did you go? Okay, there you are. Let's pull some back up on top here. I love it. Ba, 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 the final lip balm. And here they all are, lined up and sparkly and gorgeous. So what is the judgment on how easy these were to make? Pretty gosh darn easy. The color payout was beautiful. The sparkles look great. There's only 2 things that I don't really love as far as actually creating the lip balm. Number 1, the ingredients in the lip balm are trash. I'm sorry, they are. I've looked them up now on the internet, and there's just, it's not good. Using petroleum to hydrate and moisturize your lips, and yes, there are 2 different things. Hydrating, moisturizing, 2 different things. Would I let my own daughter Lily use a lip balm with these ingredients on her lips? no, I wouldn't. I know it's pretty and it was so fun and I had a lot of fun making it, but practically speaking, as far as lip balms and using cleaner ingredients are concerned, I would definitely stick with something a little bit more natural for children. The other thing, of course, that I didn't really love was that there wasn't enough lip balm to fill the pots to the tippity top. I want to be able to do that. And while it didn't really help at all to heat it up in the microwave, we were still able to get really flat tops due to the nature of the balm. I thought it was going to be too hard, but as we continued to mix, it did great. Those are my only two qualms. It needed more lip balm and the lip balm ingredients aren't that good. And now we must test them. Will this actually feel good on your lips, or is this just going to be a sticky mess? I'm about to find out. Like I said before, it smells really, really nice. Feels pretty good, tastes kind of weird. So there's no sweetener in it, of course, so it doesn't actually taste good, it just smells good. And the actual like balm flavor is not that great. It does taste like petroleum jelly. As a kid, I definitely wouldn't have liked the flavor of that. Gonna try to use one of the more glittery ones to see if the glitter even comes off. Also, I'll admit it, the glitter in here kind of feels gritty. Can we see the glitter? I don't know. I can't see it in my monitor, so I doubt you guys can see it either. My face looks nice and shiny though. So would I recommend this lip balm kit? Per usual, it probably depends on what the point of you purchasing this is. If it is to give your kids a fun thing to do, fill 30 minutes of mixing and coloring, cute things for them to look at, fun to unbox. If that is your goal, this will fit all of your needs just fine. It's $10. It's not very expensive. If, however, your goal is to create your own homemade lip balm that nourishes your lips, smells and sort of tastes good, maybe even has a little bit of tint to it, you add a lot of mica, you know, you get a little tinted lip balm. If that is your goal, this kit probably isn't the one for you. It's just too cheap. I think the most fun is had when creating the products, not using them afterwards. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I still had a ton of fun making it regardless. The making part was really fun. Again, so go get the kit if the whole point is just to make it and have fun, because I know I certainly did. If you enjoyed this video, if you want to see me test more kid craft kits, let me know down in the comments below. Are there any kits that you think are notoriously bad or notoriously good that you want me to get my paws in? I'd love to try it. I also happen to know that one of my main suppliers for colors, TKB, has a lip gloss and lip balm kit that they have put together and curated. It has very, very high quality ingredients, but it's a lot more expensive. If you're interested in seeing me do that, let me know. Maybe I'll pick up one of their glossy kits and we can try that and see if it's worth your money. I hope you have an absolutely royal day. Be sure you do something fun for yourself today, like going out and making some lip balm. And oh my gosh, please do not put crayons in your lip balm to color your lip balm. Oh, I could do an entire soap maker reacts to viral DIY beauty hacks. And my reactions would probably be just as bad as me reacting to the soap hacks, because cinnamon in your soap and crayons in your lip balm are just as bad. They even have on the Crayola site, like, please do not use this in toiletries. Or maybe you want to go support a small business and buy some lip balm they have already expertly crafted with really good for you ingredients. Regardless of what you do today, just be sure that you do something fun for yourself, okay? That's the point. The point is to do a little tiny something for you. And I will see you all soon. And so until next time, bye for now. Yeah.